All right, guys, in this video, we are going to be tinting my windows. Kenny's going to be tinting my windows.
How we doing?
I don't have a clue what I'm doing, so just pay attention, take notes, or just bring it to Kenny. I recommend just bringing it to Kenny. I'll put the phone number and the address down in the description. And it's $150 at the time of this video. And this is, May 2024. So if it's like May 30, 2030 or something, it might be more expensive.
Definitely tripled.
Tripled by then, yeah. And he may not even be tinting anymore. I don't know. Maybe it'd be me.
Just vinyl wrapping, watching Jim do it.
Yeah. All right. So just pay attention. Here we go.
Grab alcohol, rag, just spray down. So I'm spraying both. I'm wiping both down because I'm going to cut here. I'm going to do all my work here. And then I'm going to lay my foam here. This is technically my peel board. I don't have a peel board, so I use the car.
Okay.
Which is why I have to make sure I clean down. And you'll see what I mean by peel board in a second.
Did you notice my new tires?
I was gonna ask you. I'm like, wow, they look close to the same.
They do, but they don't rub near as bad. Like that side rubs like a tiny bit.
It still looks good. I like them.
You can't even hardly tell. They're an inch narrower. Right. So.
No, they look good. I was gonna ask because I seen the line. I'm like, they gotta be new. And I'm not.
I like them. I'm happy with them.
They look fine.
So what are you using in it for like lubrication?
Literally, Baby Johnson shampoo.
Oh, Baby Johnson shampoo. So if you want to like wash your hair, you can do that too.
Exactly, yeah. If you're feeling like you need a shower.
Yeah.
So here.
Is that what they taught you when you went to school for that? To use that?
Just,
no kidding?
It used to be the OG in the winter. I can't use. So this will be like a summer mix.
Oh.
So the humidity, stuff like that, is going to allow this to dry faster. And then it's going to mess with my apply time. Opposed to in the winter, a lot of slip is bad because then it's just going to slide all over. As soon as you squeegee it, it's supposed to stick to the window.
So in the winter, it would be too slow.
Yeah, it won't evaporate fast enough. And then I could roll the window up and the film can shift on me and I don't know because I'm not going to roll the window back down. So from angle to angle. So I'm reading 38. I already have it marked on the So now I can lock it down. Like right there, it's locked. It's not gonna move.
Huh.
All right, so now I just take a stainless blade. And this one, just cut this excess off the top. Set it there. And if you look at this, these tundras, they're a little trickier. If you don't pay attention, usually I just cut right to this. But it's curved, so I gotta stop it at the bottom. And that'll allow me to, so if I come here, I'll push it into the corner. I'm just riding that seal up top. Strip it off. Something over here. So now I have that as my guide. Now we're gonna release my tack spot. Goes out here. Spray that. And then you're going to shift a 1/4 inch over that way. And you can lock it back down. Okay. Now we're going to ride this guy in.
That looks really scary to me. Like I'd mess this all up.
I still mess up, honestly.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Actually,
I have I mean, that wasn't a cut to mess up, but I'm used to doing 20 on the front too. I had a customer want 5 on the front too, so I stripped the front too. So now I'm going to shift back half of what I just shifted up there, which it doesn't have to be perfect as long as it's behind your seal here. And then I can take this here and shift down.
Just a little bit so it goes under there.
Under that seal, yep. And then lock it back down. This one I like to take a lock because I'm going to cut that top. So as long as this top's locked down, look, he's going to lock it. I'm going to open this door. Turn on. Now you put the bottom up here so it don't crinkle up on the bottom. That's kind of self-preference as far as far you want to go. So you have your whole top exposed, stainless blade, and then get up there on the blade.
Oh, so that's how you get that top so perfect.
Yep.
See,
You gotta make sure you maintain angle, blade angle, and stuff like that. That's probably, I bet that's probably the hardest part.
what do you mean by blade angle?
So, as far as, I gotta maintain the same angle the whole way.
Oh yeah, if you would go up and down, it's gonna
you'll
look.
see it. Obviously, I'm not a plotter, so I can't be 110%.
I remember seeing my 07 Tundra. I think they tinted different than whatever you're doing, because I remember seeing around my window, it wasn't perfect.
Right.
Like, I mean, it looked good, but it wasn't.
So what you can do, what some people do, is they'll shave the window, which is with the blade. So they'll have a little bit that overhangs on the inside, and then they'll shave it.
That's what I think they did.
Yep. No, that'd be, you won't see any gap.
Oh.
So you'll see a gap on mine. Right?
Yeah, I seen it.
And then filing, literally a file, you take a little metal file and file the glass. So that's pretty cool too. Alright, so now we can put the truck back up. Come back out here. Now I'm pre-installing on the outside, which will give me this curve. So I'm gonna get these little fingers here. They call them fingers. So now that's what I shrink out.
All right.
Stick your heat gun. That's down. So all 98% of your cars have a curved window. So you have to pre-shrink this, or when you install, your fingers pop up on the inside. Then it makes it a little bit more of a pain to shrink out, keep them down. And
So I bet you that's really important on like a front windshield.
correct. Yeah, that's super curved. So, and then now I just take this and clean up my edges.
Oh, look at that.
Again, that part doesn't have to be perfect, only because
It's gonna go.
you're not going to see anything. It's going to be behind the seal. But right here, I'll grab my straight edge. Now I know where I ended here, and I know where I have to go to. So now I'm just going to take straight edge to edge. That's how you get the, and now I just clean this up a little bit. I know up front it's curved, so I'm just going to take a little extra. That way I don't have any overhang up there. This edge is funky.
Oh, it goes way up in there.
Yeah, it kind of has like a hop out, opposed to being in behind the glass. It's right there. So,
And you just got one little piece, right?
yep. Alright, so now this is where I'm going to use my peel board. For say. So I like to spray the outside of this to kill static electricity. Because there's a liner. The liner that faces us is going to come off. So that's mainly, it's protecting the glue that's under the window.
Now you're cleaning and getting ready.
Correct.
This is scrap head, kind of soapy, scrap off of whatever's on the window.
And then that doesn't always get everything. So you take a straight edge blade.
It's almost like now you're clay bar in a car or something to get the rest of the junk off.
Basically, just get that extra junk that's on there.
Did you ever tint somebody's window and then like, oh, look at that, there's like one freaking,
Oh yeah.
something,
Yeah, 'cause-
something fell when you were doing it, you didn't even know.
Eyelash,
Yeah.
anything. And when it's in between the film and the window, it's gonna look way bigger than it is.
Yeah,
Coverage.
yeah, right. I've done it in the beginning. I had my radio on in my garage and I got a copyright.
That's crazy.
Nice thing, YouTube will show me one little spot of my video, so I just had to delete that one little spot.
So, and then the video stays up?
And that was okay. Unless they say it's the whole dang thing, but like, because it was on so low.
Right. Here, this is what I was talking about, that front. Your front edge is exposed on this window.
Oh.
Most cars aren't like that. They're all the way in.
I never even noticed it though. Yeah.
See, these guys that have plotters, that template's already cut up, so it just does it for them.
Yeah. Somebody, yeah.
Just print it out. All you do is hit in your software.
Is that like in a computer then? You know, the window shape, every car's window shape. Oh my gosh. If you did this all day, every day, you'd want one of them probably though, right?
It would make sense to have one. They're a decent plotter's like $7 grand. I don't know how much software it's honestly, but so this is that clear layer that's protecting your glue, and me prepping the film on the outside. Slip. Make sure we have enough slip here, and then I'm gonna pull off the bottom. So I don't have to touch the film then. I like to put my leg against this just to take away that bounce. Flip up, tuck in.
This looks pretty simple, so right there.
Just a nice soft pass. This is a hard squeegee, so this is usually a final pass squeegee, but I don't mind using it. It's both. Alright, so I took my light pass and I'm going to spray again. And I can take.
Now that's the same soap and stuff that you used?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Yeah, it's all the same. It just allows me to slide that film around a little bit.
Right.
Alright, so now everything's squeegee to the side. Take a triangle card, push that out of the edge, just up top, and keep pressure on the window a little bit. Up, and then same thing here. Now I didn't get a chance to squeegee down here because the window was down ready for install. So now I can do it. So now I can just go.
Oh gosh.
Now spray again. Wash all that edge down. Now I have this film flipped up here, so I gotta pull it out of there. Flip it in, and then pull my liner back off. Pull this back out. Get that nice and wet. Spatula. Pull my film up. Pull this seal out, tuck it in there. Come over here, do the same thing. Right now I'm setting my tension on the film, so when I come back across, I don't want to lay inside here.
How many times do you think you've done this?
A lot. I mean, I've done some windows when I first started multiple times. It used to take me like, just two fronts used to take me, I bet you, easy 2 hours.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Full cars, 5-6 hours. It was rough.
Till you got really good at it. You've probably done a Tundra before, I'm sure.
A couple of them, and that's it. And you do another pass here, just for safety. There's finger popping up.
Yeah, see it. Now, do you have to use the heat gun in the inside then, or no?
You can.
Yeah.
Well, I can't do it on a side finger like that.
Right.
The film doesn't shrink that way.
Oh.
So it will shrink edge to edge, factory edge to factory edge. And then this I just... And that's that. Now I can wipe it down.
There's a question while you're doing this. Is there something when I go to clean these tinted windows I should be using?
Ammonia free.
Ammonia free.
Yep, so I like to use spray away. It's a foam.
So ammonia free and then just whatever microfiber towel or...
Yep. Yep. Yeah, this scratch resistance is pretty good.
This is the ceramic stuff, right? Yeah.
Yep.
Seems like that's the only way to go nowadays.
It honestly is. And really anywhere. I mean, it doesn't get hot here a whole lot, but when it does,
That's nice.
yeah.
I was out cleaning my truck last night at like 8:30 at night. Just so it looked cleaner for the video. My wife's probably like, what in the heck is he doing? He's freaking crazy.
Like I have a lot of my known pull downs.
Measurements of
Yep.
different stuff.
So 27 usually Subaru, 45, 50, 50 and 60 are usually your back glasses or full shields. So, which I just did one yesterday.
This week was full windshield and
Exposure glue.
Yeah.
Good. You don't have to touch your film.
All right, my two front windows are fully tinted now. And like I said, that these are tinted at 30%. If you wanted to like match, Kenny said if I would have got 20%, that would have matched exactly for my back window, but didn't want to go too dark. I don't think it's that dark, and it actually looks a little darker now, even with, because I have my sunshade in the front of my truck right now. But like I said, I will put Kenny's information down in the description, and I'll try to even put that in my first comment. And if you do get that information and go there to get your windows tinted, let him know you seen my video or you seen his video with him tinting my windows. So thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and have a great day. All right, this is what the end result looks like. These are my front windows and my side windows. Well, this is what it looks like with my sunshade. Let me walk around and I'll take that sunshade out, so you can see kind of how dark mine come out. It's really not that real dark. And I do have my new tires on. I think they turned out really, really nice. I think, let me go on the other side. The sun is shining on that side. If you like that sunshade, I'll have one of them down in this description too. I really like that. It folds up real nice. Yeah, see this side, I don't know, maybe it doesn't look as dark. You can see me inside when I'm sitting in there. All right, now that's what it looks like with that sunshade out. I don't know if you can see through there a little better. But I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Did Kenny do a good job? I think he did awesome. Maybe you got a couple tips if you want to try that for yourself.